What's going on, everybody? Seeley here. Today we are in Orlando, Florida. We are here for the 2021 Mr. Olympia. We are with my homie,
Mia Cabral on Instagram.
And today we are going to make it rain. So we're going to show you what we use, how we do it. We are in a really small Airbnb. Has a really tiny pool. It's about 100 square feet. It's really small. Let's see what we can do. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment area. And if you learned something new, please consider subscribing. We post contents a lot. So hopefully become better. Ready? Let's go. Good, love that. Good, let's get a little bit closer to the water. Scoot back one more big step. Let's take one big step back. Your hair might get a little bit wet. Right there, beautiful. Good. Love that. No, this would look so much better at nighttime. Because it'd be darker behind. Chin back up a little more. Good. Hold it, hold it. Turn your face back to your left. Can you tilt your head? Yeah, like that. Chin down a little bit. There. Lean, rotate, face him that way. Look over your left shoulder. Good. Rotate your whole body. Right there. Push the hair off the shoulder a little bit more. Right there. Hold it, hold it. Hang tight. Push your hair over to the other side. And look over your left. Ooh, like that, yeah. Good, let's have you more into the center. Let's go deep. One more. Love. Just like that, hold it. Right there. Hang tight, hang tight. Relax.
When I see something that could be better,
I want it to be better. So we're doing a nighttime.
Alright, let's make it nighttime.